Welcome to Session 7. Until now, every problem handed you one shape and one formula. Real GED questions rarely do. They give you an L-shaped floor, a wall with a door, a yard with a shed. There is no composite formula, and that's the point. Here's the plan, and it works every time. Trace the exact region you're asked about. Draw cut lines that create shapes you already know. Label missing dimensions before you calculate. Find each piece's area. Then add what's included or subtract what's excluded. Finally, check every part got counted exactly once. Method 1. Split and add. This L-shaped floor divides into a 10 by 4 rectangle and a 6 by 5 rectangle. 10 times 4 is 40. 6 times 5 is 30. Add them. 70 square feet. As you finish each piece, tick it off. That habit stops you forgetting a part or counting one twice. Method 2. Enclose and subtract. That same L fits inside a 10 by 9 rectangle with a 4 by 5 corner missing. 90 minus 20 is 70. 70 again. Both methods are valid. Pick whichever uses fewer steps. And when two methods agree, that's excellent evidence you're right. Composite diagrams love to leave dimensions out. Recover them first. If the full width is 14 meters and one section is 9, the rest is 5. Using 14 for both pieces would overlap them, and when several segments span one total, they make an equation. If the total is 20 and the pieces are 7, x, and 5, then x is 8. Label first. Certain words always mean subtract. Opening, whole, uncovered, removed, not painted. A border works the same way. Outer area minus inner area. A picture frame is 16 by 12 outside with a 12 by 8 opening. Outer is 192. Opening is 96. The frame is 96 square inches. And here's the trap. Do not subtract the side lengths. Mixed figures often bring in curves. A stadium shape is a rectangle with a semicircular end on each side. Two semicircles of the same radius combine into exactly one full circle. If the rectangle is 20 by 8 and each semicircle has radius 4, the area is 160 plus 16 pi, about 210.3. One caution: the rectangle dimensions describe only the straight middle. Now a full one. A wall is 18 feet wide and 9 high, with 2 windows 3 by 4 and a door 3 by 7. Whole wall, 18 times 9 is 162 square feet. Openings, 2 windows at 12 each is 24, plus the door at 21, 45. Paintable area is 117 square feet. The traps, subtracting only one window or forgetting there are 2. One rule holds all of this together. A valid decomposition has no overlaps and no gaps. If 2 pieces overlap, you counted the shared part twice. If your cut lines leave a stray sliver, you've missed some. Imagine coloring the region. Every point should get exactly one color. If 2 decompositions disagree, don't average them. One has an overlap or a gap. Your turn. A 10 by 8 meter yard has a 4 by 3 meter shed removed. Whole yard, 10 times 8 is 80. Shed, 4 times 3 is 12. 80 minus 12 is 68 square meters of usable yard. Let's recap. There's no composite formula. There's a plan. Cut the region into shapes you know. Label the missing dimensions first. Then add included pieces or subtract excluded ones. 2 semicircles make one circle, and every point gets counted exactly once. Great work on Session 7. Composite figures are where the GED separates memorizers from people who understand area. Next session, the coordinate grid. See you there.